Can you withdraw 1 million from Coinbase? Imagine this, you've just made a killing in the crypto market. Your Coinbase account is bulging with a cool $1 million. The question is, can you actually withdraw it all at once? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Coinbase withdrawals, exploring the limits, fees, and potential roadblocks you might encounter when trying to cash out a massive sum. Let's get started. Understanding Coinbase withdrawal limits. First things first, let's talk about Coinbase withdrawal limits. While the platform doesn't have a strict overall limit on how much you can withdraw, there are a few factors that can influence your ability to cash out $1 million. Verification level. The higher your verification level on Coinbase, the more you can withdraw. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and money laundering. Withdrawal method. Different withdrawal methods have different limits. For example, bank transfers might have higher limits than credit card withdrawals. Coinbase internal limits. Coinbase may occasionally impose temporary limits on withdrawals due to market volatility, technical issues, or other factors. Fees and costs. When withdrawing a large sum, fees can add up quickly. Here's what you need to know. Network fees. These fees are charged by the blockchain network you're using to send your funds. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum network fees can vary widely depending on network congestion. Coinbase fees. Coinbase itself may charge a fee for withdrawals, especially for larger amounts. The exact fee will depend on your withdrawal method and the cryptocurrency you're sending. Potential roadblocks. Even if you meet all the requirements and can afford the fees, there may still be potential roadblocks to withdrawing $1 million from Coinbase. Market volatility. If the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, Coinbase may impose temporary limits on withdrawals to prevent market manipulation. Technical issues. Coinbase, like any online platform, can experience technical difficulties. These issues could temporarily delay or prevent withdrawals. Regulatory hurdles. In some cases, regulatory restrictions or government policies may limit the amount of money you can withdraw from a cryptocurrency exchange. Tips for smooth withdrawals. Here are a few tips to help you navigate the withdrawal process and minimize potential problems. Verify your account. Ensure that your Coinbase account is fully verified to the highest level possible. This will give you access to the maximum withdrawal limits. Choose the right withdrawal method. Consider the fees and limits associated with different withdrawal methods to find the best option for you. Be patient. If you encounter delays or technical issues, don't panic. Most problems can be resolved with patience and communication with Coinbase customer support. So, can you withdraw $1 million from Coinbase? The answer is generally yes, but it's important to understand the factors that can influence your ability to do so. By understanding the limits, fees, and potential roadblocks, you can plan your withdrawals effectively and avoid any unpleasant surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.